Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. In class 7th, our unit number 3 is decimals. Students, we have the idea of decimal from your class 5th and 6th. What is a decimal? The word decimal has been deduced from a Latin word decimus, which means the tenth part of a whole value. Parts of decimal value. There are 3 parts of decimal value. The numbers before the point are called whole number part. The point is called decimal point, and the value after the decimal point is called decimal part. In this example, 236 is a decimal part of a whole number part, that is 15. Conversion of decimals to rational numbers. How can we convert a decimal into a rational number? So here we have 3 steps. Step number 1 is write 1 below the decimal point. Step number 2 is add as many zeros as the digits after the decimal points. Means in the example, for example, in first example 0.12, first we have to put 1 below the decimal point, and then we see that after decimal point we have 2 digits, so we have to put 2 zeros with 1. Step number 3, reduce the rational number to the lowest form. When we convert 0.12 into a rational number 12 by 100, then we have to reduce it to its lowest form. 0.12, first we have converted into the rational number, so we got 12 by 100. Then we will divide whole fraction with 4, so the answer will be 3 by 25. Same like this, in example 2 we have the value 2.55. First we convert it into a rational number, so we get 255 by 100. Now students, we have to divide whole fractions by 5, so the answer will be 51 by 20. Now the classification of decimals. It can be classified into 2 classes. First one is terminating decimal and the second one is non-terminating decimal. What is the terminating decimal? Terminate means finish or close. So terminating decimal, numbers after decimal are finite. Numbers after decimal point are finite. Number 2, the non-terminating decimal means which cannot be closed or finished. So numbers after decimal point are infinite. We have 2 examples for terminating decimal that is taken from your book. Express each rational number as a decimal. First one is 7 by 8 and the second one is 18 by 25. First we have to convert 7 by 8 into a terminating decimal. First we have to put 7 into the division from 8. 7 is not divisible by 8, so we can put here the point or decimal point, then the value will be 70. Now 8 8s are 64. We have to subtract 64 from 70. The remaining answer is 6, which is lowest value than the 8. So again we have to put 0 because we have a decimal point. Now here the value is 60. So 8 7s are 56. Now subtracting 56 from 60, we get 4. Again we put 0 with the 4, then 8 5s are 40. Now students, we can see that 7 by 8 is completely divisible through a terminating decimal. The answer will be 0.875. The next example is same like this. Now the second classification of decimal is non-terminating decimal, in which the numbers after the decimal point are infinite. Example, express the following decimal numbers into non-terminating decimals. The first example is we have to convert 1 by 7 into non-terminating decimal. Students, through the rules of division, we have to divide it, but we see that our answer is not finite, it is infinite and go on. So that's why these are called non-terminating decimals, and we see both concepts, both concepts, that the terminating decimals are have finite number and non-terminating decimals have infinite number. I hope you all will be understand these topics. So try to practice exercise number 3.1 and 3.2 from your school notes through these examples. Thank you. May Allah protect us.